If you want to change your Facebook name but you don't know how to, today in this video I'll show you exactly how. So if you have been wondering how can you change your Facebook name using the app or the browser, I'll show you both ways. So we're gonna start with the app. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end, and let's start. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Facebook app updated to the latest version, as you can see here in front of you in the screen, because it's very important to have it updated since the social media apps keeps moving things around all the time. So just go ahead and update it, and then finally you can go ahead and open the app. Once you open the app, make sure you are logged in and tap right here in the top right corner of the screen right there. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner again. And then from here, go to your account center by tapping on see more in account center. Once you are here, all you need to do is to choose your profile. So tap on profiles at the top right there. Then choose your Facebook account amongst the accounts in your account center. All you need to do from here is to tap on name. Once you'll be taken to this page, all you need to do is to tap on your name and then go ahead and change it and make sure it goes along with Facebook's guidelines. If you cannot do that from here or you're facing a problem, let's go ahead and try from the browser. From your browser, go to facebook.com and log in, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. From here, go to settings at the bottom this time. So tap on settings right there, and then from there tap on see more in account center. In your account center again, this time tap on profiles again at the top, choose again your Facebook account, then tap on name. From here again, just change your name as you would from the app. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and also leave your comments down below. I'll try to reply to every concern. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for the channel for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.